to another video on the Mobile Made Simple YouTube channel. So this evening we're having a look at the Nuzero, or otherwise known as Ozero, screen protectors for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So one of my good friends yesterday actually removed his screen protector on the Z Fold 2, so I finally decided to take it off because I had had enough of the dust and the fingerprints. And this one has got mixed reviews online, but most of the people that have managed to install it correctly say it's a really good protector. So we'll install this now, we'll have a look. I won't actually install it on the video as it may distract me, but I'll obviously unbox it first, install it, and then I'll show you what it's like afterwards. So we push the fold to one side and have a look in here. So it gives you the instructions, obviously clean your screen, etc. before installation, good light place. So on Reddit, some of the users that have installed this do advise that the bubbles actually go away after 24 to 48 hours. So that will be interesting to see. So we have plenty of packs in here, dust stickers, cloths, etc. Because there's 3 screen protectors for the front in case you go wrong, and there's 3 for the inside. So there's different, that's just bits of material to hold this protectors in place. Tape there, so we got 3 for the main screen in case you do mess up an installation, and then there's a pack of 3 for the front as well. So there's the third one. Installation instructions. It is nice packaging actually. It just tells you the same as over here, and then we've got this little picture card that asks you to leave some feedback. And this is possibly one of the biggest squidges I've ever seen for a screen protector, but I guess it goes along with the size of the fold. So there we go. So I'll clean the screen now, try and put this protector on, and then we'll have a look at what it looks like afterwards. So I've just installed the protector on the main screen and the front screen. So you may be able to see there is a couple of bubbles just at the edge and in the crease of the device, but this is quite a good installation compared to some I've seen online, and from what I've read, these bubbles do disappear after around 24 hours. So what I'm going to do is leave the device open overnight, and then we'll see how it is in the morning. And there's just one bubble in the front there that I may try push out, but it's quite easy to install as it's one of them where you just peel it back and use the squidgy tool. Instantly to the feel, it does feel a lot better than the included protector, and you can see it's not leaving as many fingerprints. So I think if them bubbles do come out, then it was worth investing in. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes, and then I'll report back in the comments, because by the time I upload the video, hopefully 24 hours will have passed. Yeah, let me know what you think of the protector, if you have used it or if you've removed the Samsung one. And if you do want to see more accessory videos for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.